What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing a jacket because I'm so freaking cold. I want it to be like cute, you know, but like it's too cold to be cute. I'm freaking freezing. It's not right. It shouldn't be this cold in the south. Like, I don't understand. But for today's video, it's happy hour at Starbucks, and I actually haven't filmed a Starbucks video in quite some time, so I think it's time to finally film one again. So obviously the next holiday that is coming up is Valentine's Day, so I actually found some Valentine's Day drinks, so of course I have to try them and see how they are for you guys. So for the first one I'm gonna try, I have them in my, right here. I have them right here in my handy dandy notebook. We're gonna be trying the Cupid Frappuccino today. So I found this in December and I said this is perfect for Valentine's Day, of course. So I was like, you know what, why not? I don't even know if I'm gonna like it, to be honest, but it's whatever. So it's the Cupid Frappuccino and I'm kind of excited. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and let's go to Starbucks. Hey, can I get a grande white mocha Frappuccino?
Okay.
Can I get raspberry syrup in there?
Okay.
And then the freeze-dried strawberries blended in there as well.
On the dragon tree.
Thank you. Okay guys, so here I have the Cupid Frappuccino. It doesn't look purple like how it looked online, so I guess they just edited it to look purple. But this is a grande white mocha Frappuccino with raspberry flavor and a scoop of freeze-dried strawberries in here blended as well. I'm kind of excited. So they asked me where I find all these interesting drinks, and I just say I find them on the internet. I find them on my Facebook most of the time. These two popped up on my Facebook actually. So they're very, very fun. I enjoy making these videos. So anyway, I'll stop talking and let's try the Cupid Frappuccino. Okay. Here's the thing. That would be really good without the coffee, because the coffee and the raspberry clash so bad. Like, so bad. It literally tastes like coffee and raspberry, but like not a good combination of it. But I mean, it's not like terrible. I don't want to like hate the drink. It's supposed to be like Valentine's Day. But I mean, it's not good. I would definitely give it a 5 out of 10 because it's not terrible. I see the concept. I see what they were trying to do. I just feel like I wouldn't get it with coffee. I feel like this drink isn't meant for coffee. I feel like if you get it, ask for without coffee, and then it would totally be a Cupid Frappuccino. I feel like that's why it's not purple, is because of the coffee. Maybe I wasn't supposed to get coffee and it was an accident. Oops. Maybe you'll do it better next time. So yeah, I don't think it's awful. I don't think it's great. Would I get it again? Yes, without the coffee maybe. But at least I tried it, you know? At least I said that I tried the Cupid Frappuccino, and it's a cute name. So it's just something that's fun for the holidays. So if you guys like this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.